Yesterday, we talked about how we can ask questions to describe objects. Today, we're going to talk about how we can classify and sort objects based on their physical properties. So, let's look at the first slide. So, is this candy hard or soft? This is a question I would ask because I notice that some of these candies are squishy and soft. I can tell that some of these are a little bit harder. This one would be squishy. I'm going to look, do they all have the same color? They're all different colors. That is obvious right away. What kind of candy is it? Well, I see some Skittles. I see some sour gummies. I see some just regular gummies. I can't tell. I don't think there's any M&Ms. I think those might be Skittles. It could be M&Ms. I see these. There's these fruit gummies right here. So I could sort them based on the type of candy they are. All right. The next one is, what does the candy taste like? Okay. I could categorize them by super sugary, as far as like sour, maybe that would be the right word, sour. I could see some are sweet, like these would be sweet. These right here would not be sour, they'd be sweet. So that these would be sour right here, these three. And then I think this one would be sour as well. It's got that sugary on the outside possibly. And the rest of it looks like it would be more of a sweet possibly. All right, the next one would be, are the pieces small or large? So I could categorize them by large pieces and small pieces. So what I just showed you was how I would maybe classify and sort or separate the different pieces of candy based on these properties. Now, we are going to come together and we're going to talk about the questions that we went over. So go ahead and grab your science notebook, a pencil, and come join me on Zoom for our discussion. See you in a minute.